Have you ever wondered how billing software works behind the scenes? In this video, we'll build a complete billing application in Python using object-oriented programming. We'll learn about classes, objects, methods, loops, exception handling, and much more. By the end of this video, you'll completely understand how this project works, and you'll be able to create similar projects on your own. Here we are creating a class named product. Every product in our billing system will be represented using this class. This is the constructor method. The constructor runs automatically whenever we create a new product object. Its job is to initialize the data of the product. These lines store the values inside the object. For example, if the user enters laptop 50,000 and 2, then self.name becomes laptop, self.price becomes 50,000, and self.quantity becomes 2. The keyword self refers to the current object itself. Now we create a method called total_price. This function calculates the total amount of a product. For example, price equals 100 quantity equals 5. Total equals 500. Whenever we need the product total, we can simply call this method instead of writing the formula again and again. Next, we create another class called billing system. This class will manage the entire shopping cart and billing process. When the billing system starts, we create an empty list called cart. This list will store all products added by the user. Here we ask the user to enter the product name. This creates an infinite loop. We use it because we want the program to keep asking until the user enters valid data. If the user enters something invalid like ABC hello or symbols, Python will generate an error. Instead of crashing the program, the accept block handles that error and asks the user to try again. We repeat the same validation process for quantity. Since quantity should always be a whole number, we use int. Now we create a product object using the values entered by the user. This method generates the final bill. Before generating the bill, we check whether the cart is empty. If no products are available, there's no bill to generate. This loop goes through every product stored in the cart. The enumerate function also gives us numbering. That's why products appear as product 1, product 2, product 3, and so on. Here we call the total_price method that we created earlier. This gives us the total amount of the current product. Here we create an object of the billing system class. This object will control the entire application. If the user selects 1, we call the add_product method. If the user selects 2, the bill is generated. If the user selects 3, the application exits. If the user enters any invalid option, we display an error message instead of crashing the program. Let's test our application. We added multiple products and generated the final bill. As you can see, each product total is calculated automatically and the grand total is displayed at the end. Before you go, I have a question for you. What features should we add to this billing app next? Should we add discounts, GST calculation, bill saving, invoice generation, or customer details? Comment your ideas below. I'll read the best suggestions and try to implement them in the next video. Also, let me know what Python project you'd like to see next. Your suggestion might become my next upload.